Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4. It is metal and non-metals. Let's start the chapter. Now, the material that we use for different purpose are made up of different materials or elements. Then what's the meaning of element? An element is a substance made up of same type of atoms. A substance which is made up of same type of atom, that is called the element. It cannot be broken down into the simpler substances. Depending on the properties exhibited, the elements are classified into the metal and non-metal. These are of two types, metal and non-metal. Is it okay? Now see next. Now, first in this chapter, we will read the properties of metal, physical properties as well as the chemical properties. Then see some points about the metal. The three-quarter of the all elements on the earth which are found on the earth, they are metal. Three-quarter of all elements are the metal. Some soluble salt of the metals are also found in the seawater, and metal occur in the nature in different forms. The natural mode of occurrence of metal is largely depend on its properties. Now, second is most of the metals are reactive and they exist in the combined form. The material from which the metals are extracted at profit are called ores. It means ores are the raw material by which we extract the metals. The example of metals are aluminium, copper, iron, tin, gold. There are around 90 of total 118 elements. Out of 118 elements, 90 are the metals. Okay, now next, see this table. In this table, we can see some substances are some actually these are the elements. Some are metal in it and some are non-metal. And you have to identify it or you have to categorize it on the basis of their appearance. Appearance, this property you have already read in the previous classes. Appearance and hardness. Now see one by one. The first is iron. What about the iron? The appearance is shiny or dull? It is shiny. Iron is shiny. Okay, it is shiny. Now, hardness. It is very hard. Yeah, not very hard. Then it is very hard. The next is coal. What about the coal? Coal, is it shiny? No, it is dull in color. And it is hard or very hard. Obviously, it is also hard. It is very hard. The next is sulfur. Sulfur, what is its appearance? It is dull in color. Sulfur is dull in color. The next, hardness. Hardness, sulfur is also uh, hard, but not very hard. Not very hard. Aluminium. Aluminium is shiny and it is also hard. It is very hard. Then copper. Copper is also shiny and it is also very hard. Then these, okay, then see one more. It is, suppose it is a gold. What about the gold? Gold is shiny and it is also hard. Is it okay? Then this table you will draw in your notebook also. Now next, see one more table. It is the electrical conductivity of the material. Electrical conductivity means either they can conduct the electricity can flow through them or not. If electricity flow through them, they are called good conductor, and if electricity cannot flow from them, then they are called the poor conductor or insulator of electricity. Now see one by one. The first is iron or iron nail. So obviously it is a good conductor. It is good conductor. The next is sulfur. Sulfur is poor conductor. Poor conductor. Then coal piece. It is also poor conductor. And copper wire, obviously, it is good conductor because you know all the metallic wires through which electricity passes in our home, they all are made up of copper. Okay, then this was for today, and by tomorrow we will start the properties of metal. Thank you.